Hey everybody, so this is the video we've all been waiting for. Today I got something pretty exciting in the mail. So this is the V6 exhaust valance, the Honeycomb. So today we're obviously just going to be putting it on the car. We're just going to go on right here. We're just going to take off this old red one and then snap this one into place. So here is about what it will look like. So pretty cool stuff. All we basically have to do is take off these two screws as well as those two little clips or whatnot. I already tried to take those off, but they just will not budge, so I think we're gonna have to drill them out and then just get new ones. And then this one just goes right back on. So one of the easiest upgrades you can do to your Audi TT Mark I is make it look 1,000 times better. So that was that. Pretty much the easiest thing I've ever done in my life, and I think it looks really cool. So thanks for watching this video of the 3.2 exhaust valance installation. Hope you enjoyed, and I got more fun videos planned for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.